Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, I will share with you how to edit the robots.txt file on Hostinger. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log into your Hostinger account. Then go to websites. And next to the website you want to edit your robots.txt file on, click on this dashboard button. Now go to Files and select File Manager. Click on Access Files of your website name. A new page opens up. Here, make sure to double click this public HTML folder like that. And this is where you should find your robots.txt file. In my case, I can't see it, so I don't have a robots.txt file on. So before showing you how to edit it, I will create one live. So click on new file. Let's name it robots.txt and hit create. For the robots.txt content, I will use ChatGPT to write me copy. And this is a simple example of a robots.txt file that I can use. User agents, these allow access to this folder. This is a known WordPress folder. This is another folder, private temporary folder, and I'm allowing access to this folder or page. And for the sitemap location, this is it. Let's copy this. Let me show you this explanation. User agent applies the rules to all search engine crawlers. These blocks crawlers from accessing those folders or pages. Allows crawlers access specific files even is disallowed directories. And two-point sitemap is used to point crawlers to your XML sitemap for better indexing. Now let's paste this robot copy here. Click on save. Now let's exit this page, and just like that I have a robots.txt file on my website. To edit this robots.txt file, it's simple. Just click on it using the right button of your mouse like that and select edit. Before we continue, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Hostinger web hosting online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger, how to set up your WordPress website and configure it, how to customize your WordPress website, SSL security, privacy, email setup, launch and index your website, speed and performance optimization, how to use Lightspeed Cache plugin, and also how to manage your files, databases, and backups. To get all of this today for free, plus my other online courses like Hostinger Website Builder or Hostinger License, just join dotcom builders academy from this link, academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue this video. Just click on it using the right button of your mouse like that and select edit. And just like that, you can edit your robots.txt file here. Just remember to not close this page or window before hitting this save button. When you see a check mark icon after saving, now you can close this window. And this is how to edit your robots.txt file on Hostinger. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.